Welcome to Tuscany. Beautiful, green, and friendly. If you want to stay away from the crowded places, but still don't want to miss the best of Italian culture and local food, follow us on this beautiful walking experience in the heart of the Tuscan hills. Enjoy the best part of the legendary Pilgrim's path, the Via Francigena. Charming landscapes with vineyards, olive trees, and cypress trees will make you feel in peace with nature. The colors of September are unique. And the small villages will be quiet and sleepy, with only local people busy with their daily lives. Visit the stunning medieval villages of Siena, San Gimignano, and Monteriggioni, with their high towers and narrow streets. Lunchtime is our favorite part of the day, when local hosts will delight our palates with genuine Italian food and great wine of the region. Stay safe, stay healthy, travel to Tuscany.